Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to make Google Chrome use English as the default language. Start by opening the Google Chrome on your device and go to and go to the settings. Inside settings, go to the option called languages. Here you will see the list of the languages that are available. If English is not available here, just click on Add Languages, search for English, and click on Add. After clicking Add, you will see English will be added here. To set it as your default language in Google Chrome, just click on this and click on Display Chrome in this language. After that, just click on Relaunch. After restarting Chrome's menu, setting and interface will all appear in English. We just change Chrome interface language by adding English and setting it as the display language. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.